All right, YouTube. I don't know what happened. I lost a lot of footage. So what we're gonna do real quick. So I'm gonna show you how to ends it out real quick. We're gonna try to take this shock off today. I put this one on here, but I lost, I don't know, GoPro's on his own right now, doing what they wanna do. But I'm gonna try to go ahead today and do this one right here for y'all. All right, so let's get this one together. So I already did that one. See if we can get this one together right here. I don't know how I lost all that footage, but pretty much you're gonna need to do the job. You're gonna need a 15-16 wrench. You're gonna need a 15-16 socket and a Milwaukee gun. You know, whatever you prefer, but I prefer the Milwaukee gun. Let's see if we can get this off. Now I can't see. I lost all that footage. All right. We're gonna change the back rear shock today and go from there. That was easy. I swear to God. All right, let's get it. So I lift it up here so I get something on it, get it screw up. That was easy enough. Man, it took me all day to get that off. Okay, we good, we doing good right now. Anytime you take off bushings, try to keep a couple of them. You see right here what I mean? This is how you can tell your shock is damaged. See all that grease up in there? It's leaking in there already. All right, so try and get the bottom one off so we can drop this thing down. There you go. So we can drop it down and keep moving. All right, so now we got some good footage. So I can't rely on my phone to record because I ain't get all the footage I needed, but we're gonna show you one more time. All right, let's get up under here. Like, you're doing a job like this, do not be afraid to get dirty, because it's the only way you're gonna save some money. Yeah, it's greasy up under here. Yeah, it's greasy. Grease goons. They got the grease goons under my trunk. All right, we gotta get a position. Get off this hub right here. Get it off? Okay. What we gotta do now, I gotta position myself over here so I don't want to get up under that hub. I gotta try to flex this to keep this from spinning so I can at least try to get it off. Well, let me see if I can get it. If I can get it this up, oh man, I'm good. If I can get it up. Like I said, if you're doing this job, don't get scared to get dirty. Just do it. You know? See how easy it is? See how, when you have the right tool, it's not a problem. The problem is when you're trying to do a job and you don't have the right tool. I need to keep all of this. That's the problem. Just need the right tools to do it. And be kind of somewhat flexible. See that grease? Yeah, that's done. That is done. That's done. Okay, we got it out. Okay, YouTube. Got me look a little crazy. What we're gonna do, we're gonna keep this. I might hit it with some engine, some brake cleaner, clean all that up real quick. But we're gonna keep these bushings. We don't never throw nothing away when it comes down to being an own operator. You want to keep as much as anything you can. All right, that's that. Put that there. Put that there. And put these here. Should be one more of those. Should be one more. Here you go. So these are bad too. It's been leaking. Definitely been leaking for a while. Definitely been leaking. They ain't doing nothing. Definitely ain't doing nothing right now. So we're gonna try to do all this stuff in the garbage in a minute. Throw the mud flaps in the garbage. Clean up over here. So, all right, let's go get this bushing. But some of these plates were still good, because you believe it or not, these right here, they $3.23 a piece. So these are still pretty much decent. They still good. So we're gonna use some of those too. So the holes, they didn't get damaged, so we can still use them. All right, we gotta get one more. So pretty much how this gonna go, I'm gonna show you the setup. This is the setup. So since it's gonna be on the bottom, we go new, bushing, old. Now we got a new one of these. I'm gonna keep these though. Definitely keep them, because it's these right here too. There was $2.50 a piece. But see, this the nut tie. They got the little rubber in it to keep it from backing out. Let me get the other stuff real quick. Yeah, see what I'm doing here. KW. See what I mean? See the purple? It's all the new stuff. Now I'm gonna show you the nut. I just showed you that, right? Here you go. See the difference? This is old. This is new. See the purple? But we're gonna keep these though, because it's hard. I'm gonna clean these up with a wire brush. They're gonna look brand new when I'm done. So we're gonna keep these, because these, it's hard to get these right here. And they're expensive too. You figure $2.50 plus those little plates. I had to get 16 of these, but I only get them 10, because I only got 10 because I already got the old one. So that'll work. Oh, I need the bushing. And you see, now look at these bushings. This is how you tell the bushings. You see the old bushings? These are new bushings. See the difference? See the difference? See, you can squeeze this. It's kind of hard here, but see? Well, we're gonna clean all this up, put all this up in the container. All right, so let's finish up over here. You're gonna go with the, like I said, we can stay with the old. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna run with a new one on top. So we're gonna grab an old one, put the old one on the bottom. We're gonna go with bushing. Now you probably asking me, why'd you putting this inside? Because see, this gotta go right in the hole here. That sits in that hole. That's so it don't move. It sits flush in the hole. That sits right there, like so. So that's why I'm doing that. All right. So now we go ahead and get the job done. Get everything done right now. Appreciate y'all sitting back watching the video. Hey man, it's all about learning and teaching and learning. Learning and teaching and learning. That's what it's all about over here. That's what we do. All right. All right, so what we got? What we're gonna do, reach over here. We're gonna slap that one down there real quick. So we're gonna have to roll this one up. So that's what we're gonna do. Grab one of these. Grab this one. You don't need, you know, these are fine threads, so you don't need no Loctite, nothing on it. You don't need that. You want to get them off later on in life, you know. All right, so I'm gonna do this without dropping it, because you got to get it from an angle. I just did that. You might have to go down on the floor. All right, we go down. So since I gotta go down there, let me grab a new one, grab a bushing, grab a nut. Ah, man, that's what I do. Now I could just, like if I was a company driver, I could just park the truck and go home. But I can't do that, because I gotta do this, because I don't have time paying nobody to do this. You gonna pay somebody to do something you can do? Nah, ain't how it work around here. So what we got to do, because I gotta watch out for that hub there, you wanna take this, angle it right about there. There you go. And just try to like sit it up in there. Sometimes they're gonna fight with you, but don't worry about it. All right, so we're gonna take the bushing, slide that up in there. like so. And what you sometimes you might have to like try to get your body in an angle. You're gonna get dirty, don't get me wrong. Oh, I just lost that one, shit. And I gotta go get it, but let me go get it. Alright. I should have came from this side, but it's cool though. It's cool, it's cool. Try to get it. I had all this stuff in my pocket. That's what I ain't gotta do it tomorrow. Hopefully, I might even do all 4, but we're gonna do this one. Like I said, I did that one. I lost the video on that. And this one over here, we doing it now. So once I get it done, then I might just knock out the other 2, so I ain't gotta worry about it. Or I might just do it tomorrow. But I might do it today since the weather's cooler, because it's gonna be hot up here. It's gonna get to 81, 81, 81 come Saturday. So we're gonna try our best. Right now, I gotta get this. Man. I should go wash my truck though. I'm gonna see if I can wash it, but they're gonna see if they can give me some AC. So you heard the owner said, come Saturday morning, he wanna see if he gives AC, but while he doing that, I'm gonna go to the motorcycle mall. And I'm trying to get a bike, another bike anyway. So that's a whole nother video right there, but shit. Trying to be careful because sometimes, there you go. We're gonna put that right about there. That's where we're gonna put it. We ain't gonna tighten it, just enough to get it in and let it set. All right, so we got that on right there. I don't know if y'all can see it. Sometimes the GoPro ain't that wide. I got it set wide, but there you go, that's there. And let's get the other one together. But they're gonna touch up the other one over there. All right, there we go. Bushing, bushing, bushing. All right, so what we're gonna have to do here, like I said, we're gonna slap the old one on here, like so. Put this bushing on, like so. Don't forget that right there gotta line up with the hole. You see that? That gotta line up. All right, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna have to pull it up. Let's see, I gotta get an angle on it. Turn it a little bit, pull it up. Okay, we gotta pull that one up. Let me hit it on the bottom so I can try to push it up. I might be able to push it from the bottom. All right, come on. All right, that's that. Now we gotta try to do, see if I can push it from the bottom. Trying to be careful though, because this thing is leaking right here. There you go. Let me see where I'm at now. All right, let's get from the top. I definitely gotta check my rears. do a lot of chicken. Where we at with it? There you go. I gotta pull it. So at least get it up from here, from the angle. There you go. Right up in there. See? You want that rubber garment. We're right in that hole. That's it. So now we in the hole there. So now, see, you're gonna get dirty. Don't worry about getting dirty. You're gonna get that. All right. I'm about to make a mistake. So we're gonna get this in here. We're gonna get this here. And where the wash at? Oh, I gotta get one more washer. No, more nut. So you got 4 left. Yep, 2. I don't know if these gonna. This is not gonna be easier. I don't know. Not really. Still got a hub there. Ain't that much room, but I'll try to break those down if I can. See, I used to write everything down. Now since I'm doing it on YouTube, I just record everything. Get your impact gun, 15-16 socket. These are Pittsburgh sockets. All right, pretty good. They don't ever had a problem with them yet, so. It worked for me. And what was got? You gotta hit the bottom. That's it. That's it. Like I said, doing shocks on a truck is bigger than is easier to do shocks on a tractor than it is on a car. I do it anyway, but on here you ain't gotta do all that. That's it. And plus my truck got 8 airbags, so I'm good, comfortable, strong, beast. All right, so we got this. We're gonna have to get back up under here, tighten, reach up under here, tighten it down. That's it. All I gotta do is tighten it. Oh, hold up, I want y'all to see. I don't want y'all to, you know, I'm all over the place with this. That's it, baby. That's it, YouTube. Let me get up. Let this old man get up. All right, YouTube, we done. All right, YouTube, we done over here. Appreciate y'all for stopping by, checking out the video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and we out of here. Get back at you with another video. We got to test something else when we get home. Salute. And we gone.